The purpose of these videos are for people that might have the same common problem with their appliance. We'll have washers, dryers, dishwashers, refrigerators, stoves, problems that you might have. And if you do have this problem and you fixed it, please comment. If you don't, look at the video. A lot of comments will cover what you might have the problem with, and you can fix it. So this is helpful for DIYers and see if they can take the task on themselves or end up hiring a appliance tech. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, my Kenmore 80 series model 110 won't agitate. The dogs are good and will catch. The machine will fill and spin and drain. No videos I have found have showed if the lower agitator has any part that can go bad. Taking off the lower, I know there are rust spots, but should there be teeth on the agitator shaft to catch? Also, I don't remember if the lower is supposed to move so freely. Any help appreciated? I checked the splines and they are all good too. Okay, here are the comments. Andy says, check splines on agitator, check ears on basket drive. Paul said, I second advising to check splines on lower agitator. Angie says, mineral deposits in the water, no solution for that. Marshall says, just change the agitator out, it's bad. Don, my guess is that the gear case transmission is bad. Pull the agitator off. Get the machine to go into wash mode. If the shaft is not wagging or is moving slow, there's your answer. Let's see. Philip says, put the cap back on behind the motor. In front of the gear case transmission is a coupling. It's black and white. It's like a U-joint on an automobile. It may be broken. If it's not broken, then likely the gear case is broken inside. If so, it's better to replace the machine. Carl, you need a new motor coupler. Mike said put it in spin only. If the motor runs but doesn't spin, it's a broken coupler on the back side of the motor. Tip the washer back to look at it. Cheap part, easy to do, get off once you get the cabinet off. Warren says motor coupler. Darren says coupler, agitator splines, transmission, or brake/clutch. Andrew says it's never the brake clutch. People will tell you that. OI, $26 part, and you'll be back in business. That's bullcrap. It breaks the gearbox in the transmission because it's driven harder than your wife's Volvo. Every day in most homes for about 10 years. Sometimes only washing a t-shirt and a pair of socks in an empty basket. It's the reason men like us drive trucks and own two-wheel dollies. It's called the cycle. Ryan says time to retire that machine. And William says if you could only afford a Speed Queen. That's the end of the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.